Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use Higgsfield AI. If you want to create something out of AI, whether it's an image or video, I'll show you how it could be possible. So first you have to go to the browser, search for Higgsfield AI. You will get the first link for its website. Click onto it, you will get onto its website. Then it is better that you should log in or sign up first, then you start using it. So if you want to sign up, on the right side you will see the option for sign up. Simply do it with your email address and then you will be onto this page. On the first page is called explore. On this page you can see some of the videos available. You can get the idea like what sort of work it do. And if you want to explore more like what other creators or people or users have done, so you can just simply check out all of that work, so you will get the idea, or you can also use these models. So if you go to create, you get different options. So we will start with the image. So I'm just gonna click on image, then I'll show you how it works on the image generation. So once we get to this page, here we have this first section for the prompt where we add the text and out of it, it creates something. Then we have different models of AI, you can use it. Then we have the aspect ratio, and after that we have different modes like high and basic. You can choose anything. And after that we also have this option for the prompt enhancer. You can on it or off it as per your preferences. Then if you like to create a character, there is the option for it. And if you want to create a specific site of artwork, you can have the option for it as well. In the option for visual styles, we have different sort of work, so you can select what sort of idea or style you want. Then you just have to simply type your prompt and just simply click on generate. Then it will just take a while, and after that the image will be created on the left side. Once the image gets created, you can check it out, and then if you want to download it, we also have the option for it. Now if you want to edit something in the video, you have to go to the video section. Then you have to simply first upload the video of your reference, like what sort of video you want to create, and models and other options. But first you have to upload the video, and then in this style you can select different style for your video, like what sort of video you want to be created. You can select anything that you want. Once you have selected the style, you can also add the prompt. In prompt you can explain what changings or what specifications you want from that style, or maybe what you want from your image. And then you have to simply click on generate, and after that it will generate a video out of it. Other than that, if you want any sort of artwork or AI image generation related to your product, if you run any e-commerce business or maybe for any other reason, we have the option for the products. You can just simply upload the product images and it will edit it. And if you want to create a consistent character, then we also have the option for character where you can create a character. You can also upscale the images of your choice, and we also have this option for the AI bot. Like we have the chat GPT, the same way we have the AI assistant. You can ask it to anything or to tell it to do, it will do that. So that's how you can use Higgsfield. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.